All right, welcome back, my YouTube family. Today, I want to go over some things in the setting menu, some display options that you may not be aware of that you have on your phone, on your device. Now, every phone is different. I don't know, iPhone may or may not have this feature. I'm sure it does, but it's the way you access it may be different. But I have an Android Motor 5G version 13. Android version 13. So it may be different than a lot of phones. But if you have an Android like mine's, you can go in here. I'm going to show you how to do a screenshot first without doing it the old way where you had to push the down arrow and, up and down arrows and power button to do a screenshot. Now I'm going to show you an easier way to do a screenshot. So first you want to go in here. You see I got all these. Here's my settings menu. Click on your settings, and then you want to go to display option, which is here. Then you want to scroll down here until you get where it says 3-finger screenshot. It says touch the screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. You want to select that, and then here you see it says 3-finger screenshot. To capture a screenshot, touch and hold anywhere on the screen with 3 of your fingertips spread slightly apart. So make sure, and it's showing the example here. You see where this guy is touching the screen with his fingertips, but you have to make sure that it's spread it slightly apart, just like it shows in the example here. So you turn it on here, use 3 finger, and then hit here where it says try it out. Now, this is how you set it up. It says with your 3 fingers spread slightly apart, touch and hold the screen. You have to do this right or it won't work. So you have to do it at the same time. You can use any 3 fingers. I'm going to use these 3, my index, middle finger, and wait a minute. So you got to do it at the same time. Okay, there you go. Now it says you're ready to take fast screenshot with the tap of your finger. So click done here. Now I'll show you how this works. So I'll hit this little button here, take me back to my home screen. So now I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this screen right here. So I'm going to hold down my 3 fingers at the same time, slightly spread apart. Bam. And you see that? There's the screenshot right there. Now you can share it here if you want to send it to your email or message somebody. You can hit that share button right there if you choose, and that comes up. But that's how you do that. Now I want to show you another thing in settings. So we'll go back to the settings menu. And I want to show you some more stuff in display options. So now what I want to show you, how you can change your brightness levels here in the display window. So you see where it says brightness level 71%. And it's a couple ways you could do this. So you hit there and that comes up, and you just slide across there to make your screen brighter, or you can slide it back to make it darker. Now that's one way to do it and see how it changes the level. Now the easiest way to do it, you don't even have to go. There's another way to do it. It's always more than one way to skin a cat, as they say, especially when it comes to technology. If you got this here, Android, you can pull down here, this screen, all the way down till you get here. You see the brightness levels here. Now you can just use your finger and slide over, see how it makes the screen darker, or you can make it brighter there. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the home menu. And so that's what I wanted to show you today, folks, those 2 things. Now stay tuned to my channel because I got many more videos to come, and also look into the link description below, and you can go access my website and purchase my course, Lesson 1, Computer Basics for Beginners. And also coming soon, stay tuned to my channel, I'm going to have more about the settings menu on Android devices and how to change more display settings and other settings there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have a course on that, folks. Stay tuned to my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace, and I'm out. May God bless.